In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet app. If you've ever been unsure about how to start a meeting or join one with confidence, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the hang of it in no time. First things first, we need to open the Google Meet app on your laptop. This can usually be done by double-clicking the Google Meet app icon that's already linked to your Google account. If you're new to the app, make sure you have it installed beforehand. Once you have the app open, you'll see the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner of the interface. Go ahead and click on that. This will set you up for access and ensure you're recognized on the platform. Next, you'll need to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts associated with your device, you'll see a list of them pop up. Select the one that you intend to use for this meeting. It's crucial to pick the right account, especially if you use Google Meet professionally, as this will ensure your colleagues or contacts recognize you during sessions. Click on the desired account. After selecting your account, the app will prompt you to type in your password for verification. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid any hiccups in logging in. If you're someone who frequently enters incorrect passwords, consider using a password manager to simplify this step. Once your password is entered, hit Next. This finalizes the login process and directs you to the main landing page of Google Meet. Now you're ready to hop into your meeting. Look for the appropriate meeting, which in our example is entitled something like Meeting Example SEPTI 24 2025. This should be clearly listed on the homepage of your Meet interface. Clicking on this meeting link will bring you to the pre-meeting screen. Here you can adjust settings like your microphone and camera if needed. It's a good idea to double check these options for optimal audio and visual quality during your session. Finally, you'll see a Join Now button. You'll click on that to enter the meeting. Once you do, congratulations, the meeting has officially started. From here, you're free to interact, share, and collaborate as needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now confidently use Google Meet to host or join meetings with ease. Whether it's for business, education, or connecting with loved ones, knowing how to utilize this tool effectively is a great skill to have. Make sure to practice these steps a few times so they become second nature. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meetings.